cuma kamu tiada yang lain. Ku bilang aku gak main-main. Apa yang kau mau ku turutin. Sekarang kamu sama yang lain. Awalnya ku cuma cobain.
Assalamualaikum everybody. We are from Meowchanix team and we are presenting our product that is called PurrFeeder 8X. First of all, it's about our problem statement. Many cat owners are unable to feed their cats on time due to busy schedules, and this causes irregular feeding. Irregular feeding schedules can affect a cat health and behavior. This made us realize that we need a simple, reliable, and low-cost auto-feeding system which help us keep our cats full without any worry about overfeeding or feeding too less.
So, our main objective is to ensure cat owners consistently feed their cats even during their absence. Not only that, but also so that they don't overfeed or underfeed their cats. Introducing our simple yet effective, reliable and also low-cost auto-feeding system that helps any cat owners feed their cats while they are away. This system is based off of Arduino microcontroller which rotates a servo motor for 4 seconds every 8 hours starting from 6 AM, releasing a portion of cat food automatically. An automatic night light is also added to make feeding the cat easier during night time.
So, the component we use to make this product is Arduino Uno, SG90 servo motor, jumper wires, breadboard, food containers with a trapdoor, automatic night light.
The uniqueness of our product is, unlike most expensive cat feeder systems you see online like in TikTok, Shopee, etc., this design is cheap and DIY friendly. The cost of this product is estimated to be around 25 ringgit, but it doesn't go above 30 ringgit. This product is aimed for working adults, cat owners and animal shelters. And we hope this product can help a lot of people feed their cats while absent, either at work, on a trip, etc.
Our future improvements are to create a mobile app entirely based off of the system to enable scheduling, customizations, manual feed, override and alerts. Number 2, adding a camera module to view a live video of cats being fed by the owners. Also can be used for security purposes. Number 3, adding a food level sensor by using an ultrasonic or infrared sensor to alert the cat owner that the food is running low. And lastly, adding a manual feeding button to allow the cat owner to manually dispense food in time of need.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Make sure you eat, sleep and pray. That's all for today. Bye bye.